My next question, if there is one here.
Yeah, मैं पूछना सोच रही थी, what was the last question? No, we were talking about Dub Smash.
She went, oh, Dub Smash.
Dub
Dub Smash is over, I'm
That's what
assuming.
I'm done.
It's over.
I'm done. What I want to know is about the segment that we missed out on. Do we want to relive that? I don't know. It would seem a little rehearsed, which we had never rehearsed.
I'm not quite sure what
Lekin-
you're talking about.
Yeah, even I.
Why? 3 things.
Oh, acha, acha.
I don't remember.
I remember it.
Is it?
I don't
I'm sure you
remember
don't
my
know the
answers.
answers.
I don't remember my answers, but I remember answering it.
So I had asked, what are the 3 things that you like about him on screen and off screen, and what are the 3 things that you do not like about him on screen and off screen?
You know,
Oh my
and
god.
it would
On
have
screen,
been
off screen, I think it's a difficult question.
Now,
Yeah. Now
yeah,
as in-
because we haven't
the
been
off screen
shooting.
bata de, who cares about on screen anymore?
But it would have been a interesting thing to watch if we had that footage 6 months
तो
ago.
guilty ना feel करवा.
Sorry.
I know. On I know. No, I was just supporting. So should I start with the answer? See, on screen, off screen, मैंने पहले ही बोला नहीं. So now I think it's about Surbhi and Varun now.
Yeah.
You know, I don't remember much about. I can't say Shad and Jannat, but yeah, it's like off screen अभी थोड़ा.
Yeah, because
Off
abhi
screen
it'll
because
become
off-
generic right
No,
now. If we have
and
to
what-
pinpoint, then when we were shooting would have been.
No, but मुझे लगता है कि अगर ये तब भी पूछा जाता तब भी शायद I couldn't answer cause यार क्योंकि पता है क्या होता है अगर मैं ऑन स्क्रीन आंसर दूंगी 3 थिंग्स आई लाइक अबाउट तो वो वरुण के बारे में नहीं होगा वो शाद के बारे में
वो
होगा।
शाद के बारे में ही था.
तो शाद के बारे में जो 3 चीजें जन्नत को अच्छी नहीं लगती
No, what she means is 3 things that you like about me while shooting, right?
तो वाइल शूटिंग वो वरुण के बारे में होगा ना
No, even for Shad, for that
Okay, I
matter.
get what you're saying. On screen.
Yeah, ठीक है,
ऑन
जाने
स्क्रीन
दो.
तो फिर शाद होगा ना
वो शाद के बारे में ही था जब पूछा था तब पूछा था.
As in,
अभी
how
third part
was
देखूंगी
Varun
तो
as a co-actor is what you're asking?
so that is also about Varun right
Yes, darling, but what we'd also
so okay
asked,
then I'll answer
Question
this
is how is Varun as a co-actor and how is Varun as a person?
ठीक है तो मतलब
Please.
3 चीजें बतानी है गुड 3 good things about he is honest and that is
This is what are you talking about? As a co-actor or as a person?
as both because this I think I have mentioned that when we were coming back from Kolkata during our first schedule Pakistan
We started off
track with
from Kolkata.
with the
yeah,
that
after the
Kolkata
promo, you
track.
guys straight away I think met there
Yeah.
That-
We shot
Together.
for a day or 2 in Bombay, but not together.
together. I know.
Yeah.
I know, yeah. So yeah, उस टाइम पे in the flight also you know अपनी स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ रहा था and all that और मैंने सोचा कि मेरे लिए थोड़ा सा weird था कि फ्लाइट में मैं ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या सोच सकती हूँ या ऐसे ऐसे बात कर सकती हूँ कुछ भी और ये स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ा था मुझे ऐसा लगा कि नो कितना ऑनेस्टली से सब कुछ कर रहा है ना तो मैंने कहा ठीक है एज लॉन्ग एज यू आर सीरियस टुवर्ड्स व्हाटएवर you are doing it's like enough for me and he was honest also he is honest
I needed to have my lines done because हम सुबह निकले थे and I think we were shooting that afternoon. We landed and we had to shoot that afternoon. So I didn't keep it for later, and I did because for my own selfish needs I do it because I don't want to mess up when.
Yeah, you know that is something which you call honesty. That you are not careless. Whatever you are doing it honestly. And as a person also, he's honest. He's you know that kind of honest. जैसा कि I don't even remember कौन सा ऐसा last person था जिसको मैं मिली थी जो कि ऐसे वाला honest. You know he's my kind of honest. Weirdly
I don't even
honest.
need the other 2 anymore.
No, you know, cause इसको मैं बहुत बार बोल चुकी you know, I really don't know how to explain or express it. It's like everybody has, you know, a few weird things. जैसे मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं जैसे कुछ चीज़ों को देखती हूँ या ऑब्जर्व करती हूँ या फिर सोचती हूँ उनके बारे में दैट इज़ वेरी वियर्ड ऐसे टू द कोर
In depth.
सुपरफिशियली हाँ कुछ ऐसा मतलब ऐसा फ्लोट नहीं करती मैं मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम मुझे ऐसे अगर सी मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम आई डोंट केयर बट इफ़ आई केयर एंड इफ आई सी सो देन आई सी एंड आई केयर लाइक अबाउट एवरीथिंग तो जब मैं इसको मिली ना ही वाज ऑल्सो लाइक दैट सो इनिशियली तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि oh my god does he think the same way
That is true. And it takes time to realize that, you know, because
Yeah, exactly. You know, because initially it was so unbelievable for me that he is also, you know, that weird. क्योंकि अपने आप को पता होता है ना कि, you know, आप कैसे सोच रहे हो, कैसे आप देख रहे हो, what's your point of view. तो जब इसका भी मैंने देखा, I can you know give you so many examples of our topics of discussion. जो कोई और सुनेगा तो बोलेगा ये
Yeah, what
दोनों
are you all talking
पागल हो गए.
चाहिए मुझे.
No, yeah, that's like I just want to say that because it's actually कुछ भी ऐसे और जब
हाँ.
तक एंड नहीं होता ना ये गिव अप करता है ना मैं गिव अप करती हूँ एंड दैट्स द ब्यूटी यू नो दैट्स द अल्टीमेट थिंग
and it could be anything.
Yeah.
But, you know.
For example, the phone. Give me something on the phone.
Oh no, if you're saying that I will give you a topic and now come on, you'll start
No,
discussing.
I'm not asking you to fight it out right now.
No,
I'm
it's
saying
like,
that
हाँ,
give me an example of what kind of topic you guys
no,
end up
sometimes there's no
discussing
topic
to the
only
death.
sometimes
It could be nothing. It could be how the sun is shining on a leaf, you know.
Wow.
हाँ ऐसे कैसे तुमने बोल दिया नहीं
हाँ.
ऐसे मैंने ऐसे बोला
मुझे लगा था कि you meant that.
या
हाँ, मुझे हमें सिर्फ लगता रहता है, you know. Oh, but actually.
दैट्स द बेस्ट पार्ट यू नो और आप सोचो यार आपको अपनी तरह की डिस्कशन करने के लिए कोई मिल जाए वाओ दैट्स अमेजिंग okay
That's
so now the second thing this is I was talking about honesty so for me it's honesty yaar because you are not ignoring anything he's not fake you know अगर गिर गया है तो ऐसे प्रिटेंड नहीं करेगा कि ओ मैं तो स्टाइल मारा यू नो मैं ऐसे बहुत ही ऐसे अजीब सा एग्जांपल दे रही हूँ बट यू नो व्हाट आई एम सेइंग कि अगर है तो है
लगी तो लगी.
हाँ अगर मैं बेवकूफ़ लग रहा हूँ तो लग रहा हूँ मैं स्टाइल नहीं मारूंगा अगर मैं नहीं लग रहा है नॉट दैट एंड ये मुझे तो सबसे बढ़िया क्वालिटी लगती है एंड वो इसमें है एंड दैट्स वाई मैं उसको ऐसे नंबर 1 पे रख रही हूँ
बस इतना elaborate कर दिया because there is no need for anything else. Is there? अच्छा चलो जल्दी go on.
जल्दी जल्दी. सन भी जा रहा है.
सेकंड
The sun तो अभी हम करते रहेंगे. That don't worry.
सेकंड यार he is helpful he is emotional as in he is not selfish so ऐसे ख्याल रखता है ध्यान रखता है सबका और ऐसे he is a good person to work with actually क्योंकि आपको पता है कि अपने में ही नहीं खोया रहेगा ऐसे अपने में ही लगा रहेगा ये वो तो मतलब ऐसे केयरिंग सा है तो अच्छा लगता है काम करके मतलब मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा इसके साथ काम
That I agree with you.
yeah.
Thank you. And that one thing, it's a ditto copy for Surbi. If I'm just going to butt in and say one good thing about her is because it is the same point कि self-consumed वो नहीं है and that is one thing that only hampers work. You know, if you're self-consumed, if you're only thinking about yourself, you're thinking about your shot or that, it doesn't work that way. And that she had made, I think I mentioned this in an earlier interview, but
which
on
is
Forum
lost?
32 only. No, I think which has been out, but I'm not too sure. But at least, or maybe I had a conversation with you that when we went to shoot our promo, she told me that all that matters to me is making a good show and nothing else. And that's all. I said I don't even want anything else. That's all I want is to make a good show and work hard towards it.
So true.
And that's what we did. We got along like a house on fire is a separate thing that happened to happen. But
But then I guess that was destined to happen. Considering
I agree.
that if you have similar thought processes or
exactly
you
a
have
chain of thought
similar-
when it matches. But my point is that I feel
हाँ तू अपना point भूल जा उसके पहले.
whatever I
ये
said.
point बहुत बोलता है
नहीं वो बैटरी ने एन मौके में धोखा दे दिया.
I know
Good, at least और भारी तरीके से रख सकते.
We were talking about how destined.
And my point was, what I was saying is that however our relationship turned out at the end of the show is something that you said, which I agree with, is that when your wavelengths match, that's bound to happen. But my point was that I feel even on my last day of shoot, we still worked as hard as we worked
first day.
on the first day. I do believe that, and I'm preceding that because we talked about on my first day of the promo, where we said that, you know, all that matters is working hard and making a good show.
And one thing I want to add to you saying him not being selfish. My first experience with him was on the China Creek Wala shoot. Okay, that's the first day I met him.
That's not
that-
true actually.
That was the first day.
I met you.
You met me you met me before Surbi also. Before one day
that
before
photo
for
shoot,
my
yeah.
costume trial when I'd come on set.
Ah, of course. Yeah, that was just the photographs I'd taken with. the
Right, we
camera.
didn't have much of an
We
interaction.
just had a hello,
Interaction,
hi,
yeah.
and that's it. And you just said, I know Forum 32. That's
Right.
all. But the first interaction that I actually remember.
तब तो
and-
मुझे ये भी नहीं पता था कि shit, I was so lost. यार मुझे पता ही नहीं था कि कोई नया ट्रैक शुरू होने वाला है और मुझे सिर्फ ये पता था कि ओके ही इज़ अ न्यू गाय और वो हमारे शो में इंट्रोड्यूस होने वाला
She didn't even know कि हाँ उसके opposite आने वाला है.
एग्जैक्टली इतना तैयार हो गया कि पता ही नहीं होता स्टोरी पे क्या होने वाला है. Shit.
I like
तो सेल्फिशनेस का ये सीन था कि ऑन द वे बैक वी ड्रोव टुगेदर फ्रॉम घोड़बंदर रोड. So we were आगे पीछे and he happened to be ahead of me when we were at the toll of the exam. And unknown to me, he paid for the toll. And I was like, when has anyone ever done this for me when I'm with somebody else alongside? And it has happened in other shows of four lines that I've covered. And aage piche koi ho, just because it's at 2 in the morning, so someone, I've said I'll tag along behind you just for safety's sake. And it's never happened that someone
No,
else has
and I
paid.
remember-
And that's the first time. You see, I remember it more because it's the first time. See, after you knowing each other today, you pay for me. Cool, we are friends, and I do sometimes, you do other times. It's different. But doing for the first time, that makes the whole lot.
Yeah, but you know, and I remember you caught up to me also. Like she drives like a maniac. First of all, let me tell everyone, Roshali part he drives like a maniac.
नेक्स्ट
And-
फास्ट एंड फ्यूरियस में मैम को कास्ट कर लिया गया है.
And she caught up to me and she put her window down and she's like, why? And I just said, why not? You know, I mean, there was nothing more or nothing less than just that. You know, there's no reason why. You know, it's just why not. That's all.
Yeah, so for me, it was something that's unexpected. And
That is actually-
these are kind of things that always will remain with me.
Thank you.
So that's
He's a gentleman.
Yeah, like you had your first day, I had my first day with Varun, and it's kind of build. That's what builds a relationship. I feel, you know, these small moments rather than the big thing. You know, doing something for someone, like expected big things. But when you do these unexpected, even small things, and it's not about the money, it's just a gesture that touches you. So for me, मैंने भी बोल दिया one like of yours.
Thank you. चलो
तेरे
मेरी
बारे में
बारी.
नहीं बोलूँगी, मैं 3 साल से तेरे को like करते आ रही हूँ.
Not required.
मेरी बारी. Is it?
She was supposed to do the second thing.
This was the second thing, right?
Third thing. then,
Third
sorry.
thing. बहुत सारी है वैसे honestly.
मुझे इस point में music डालना है.
Yeah, okay, that's fine.
Okay, so we didn't add music. We just left the third part for the next part, and that would be the third part. Okay, great. So subscribe to Forum 32 for more of Varun and Surbi's interview and more videos from the shows that you love to watch. This is Vishali signing off for now. Keep watching.